Have you ever walked into a crowded place and instantly felt uncomfortable, irritated, or mentally drained? Don't worry, there's actually a psychological reason behind this feeling. Some people hate crowded places not because they dislike people, but because their brain reacts to overstimulation differently. When we enter a crowded space, our senses pick up dozens of signals: voices, movements, noise, lights, and unpredictable behavior. For some people, this overwhelms the brain's processing system and triggers something called sensory overload. It's basically your brain saying, "This is too much at once." Another reason is something psychologists call threat detection. In crowded environments, your brain subconsciously scans for potential dangers. Too many people in one space makes it harder to predict situations, and the brain shifts into alert mode. Even if nothing is wrong, the body produces small amounts of stress chemicals like cortisol and adrenaline, making you feel uneasy. Social anxiety can also be a factor. People who are naturally introverted or sensitive to social stimulation often find large groups emotionally exhausting. It's not that they lack social skills, it's that social energy drains faster for them. Interestingly, people with highly active brains, creative thinkers, overthinkers, and deep thinkers, often struggle with crowded places because they need mental space to think clearly. Noise and chaos interrupt their internal thought flow. And here's something surprising. People who hate crowds are often more observant and emotionally aware. They notice details others ignore, and their intuition becomes stronger in quieter environments. Some research even suggests that introverted personalities are more connected to internal thoughts than external environments, which makes crowded spaces feel distracting instead of exciting. So if you feel uncomfortable in malls, busy streets, or parties, it doesn't mean something is wrong with you. Your brain might simply prefer calm surroundings, predictable environments, and personal space. And next time someone asks why you don't like crowded places, remember, it's not antisocial behavior. It's psychology working exactly as it should. If you want more fascinating videos about how the mind works, don't forget to subscribe for weekly psychology content.